Hey everyone! Today we're going to fix an essay about protecting the environment. There are many good ideas in here, but just a few grammar issues. Let's go through them by type. First off, let's look at this sentence. It says, these days there is too much waste, less trees, and the air pollution. What is wrong here? Do we see this? It says less trees. Now, what is wrong here? There is something called a countable versus an uncountable noun. Now, what does that mean? When you have water, can you count this? Can you say there is 5 water? No. So you can use less for this. You can say there's less water. How about for trees? Can you count the number of trees? Yes. So instead of less trees, we want to say there are fewer trees, okay? Now, let's see if we can find some article errors. There are a few missing or wrong articles, and let's try to find as many as possible. These are super common types of issues. Now here, look, it says the air pollution. Instead of the air pollution, let's drop the definite article and make it a bit more descriptive. We can say the worsening air pollution. What's next? Over here, it says using car has a good effects. What's wrong here? Car is singular. So for singular nouns, we want to add an article. We can say using a car has effects is plural. So we want to get rid of this one. Now it says using a car has good effects, but it has bad effects too. Great. Now, what's next? I think there are a few verb form errors. What about this? It says these problems destroy the environment. Instead of destroy, since these problems are happening right now, let's change this to a present progressive. We can say there are destroying the environment. These problems are destroying the environment. Great. Next. Over here, it says, and also plant the trees can help animals to live better. What is wrong here? Since this is the subject, we want to add ing to make this a gerund. So, how can we fix this? Instead of plant, we can say planting. So we have, and also, planting the trees can help animals to live better. Nice. What about this sentence? It says, using car causes the air pollution. That makes our earth getting warmer and warmer. Let's make this a bit smoother. First off, over here, instead of saying using car causes the air pollution, we can get rid of the definite article. Using car causes air pollution, comma, and how can we connect these? Instead of that, you can say which. And then we can get rid of getting. Now, let's see how this sounds. Using car causes air pollution, which makes our earth warmer and warmer. Great. Now, what's next? Over here, it says, so we have to reduce car use, such as ride bike. Instead of ride bike, we want to say riding bikes. Okay, so we're changing this to a gerund as well. What's next? Maybe we can make this a bit smoother. Instead of saying Gwangju, a greener city and a healthier city to live, we don't have to repeat the noun twice. Maybe we can just get rid of this and this article to make it a bit smoother. Now we have these actions will make Gwangju a greener and healthier city to live. Much better. Okay, now you guys can make these. Now you guys can also fix your essays as well. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you again later.